Hello guys, it's Mokube here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to create your job application form in WordPress. Let's get into the video. So the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WordPress website. Once you're there, we are going to be using this free plugin called the WP form. So we already have this plugin installed on our WordPress website. So after which we are going to click on it here. This is it here. After that, we click on all forms. So guys, after that we are going to click on what? Add new. So we are going to be creating a new form. So but if you want to purchase the premium of this plugin, I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below. So after that, we are simply going to choose a blank form. So once you're here, we'll start by naming our form. Come here, let's say job application form. So if you have a description, you can simply insert it here. As you can see, submit button, sending. Yep. If you have a description, you can simply insert it here, but I'm going to leave it like that in that manner. After that, I'll click on what? Fields. So we'll start by dropping our various fields. As you can see here, we'll start by the name, email address, telephone number, address. You have the options where you actually see this. So you have where you can actually drop your file. So we'll start by dragging our name. We'll insert it. After that, telephone number is it here. So after that, email address. We can decide to insert location. In such a way that you must insert your location. So we'll scroll down, we'll double tap on it, we'll leave it on what? For international users. So come back here. So guys, once you are done with that, you simply need to what? To double tap on it. Let's say you want to make it in such a way that it must be required before you submit your form. You simply click on it to require it. A red icon is going to display here, as you can see. So after that, you click on what? Add fields. So guys, let's say we want to add a text layer in such a way that somebody must leave a message on the online form. So we'll leave it in that manner. So after that, okay, let's say you want to display this, you want to add this option that you're seeing here. Come back here, we are going to choose what's the scroll down. That is, we are going to choose the checkbox items. Drag it. Can give it a name. So let's just copy this, insert it here. Take the first one, current employee, depending on what you want to put there. So radio. So you can make it in such a way that it must be required. So okay, let's say you want to add this. Let's say you want to add this upload to resume. We are going to copy it. Come back here, add layers. So this is it here. We drag it and place it here. So we are going to rename it. Double tap on it. You can insert the description if you want, as you can see. So I'm going to leave it like that. So once I'm done with that, I'll simply click on what? Save. So you make sure you check it very well. I'll simply click on what? Save. Okay, after that, I'll simply log it. I'll simply need to insert this form in a blank page, or you can simply insert in any page you want in your WordPress website. So I'll come back here. Let's say we want to insert this page on our contact page. We'll click on it, edit with Elementor, come back here. We'll simply copy this code. So after that, come back here. We'll add a new widget. Come here and search for shortcode. Drag it here. So we'll simply insert the code we just copied. So after that, we are going to click on what? Update. As you can see, that's it. So we are going to verify. Contact form. So guys, this is the form we are just creating, as you can see. So that's it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next tutorial. Peace out.